Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making stuffed chili pickle. For this we need dry mango powder, turmeric, salt to taste, black salt, red chili powder, onion seed, fennel seed, coriander seed, fenugreek seed, cumin seed and mustard seed or mustard pulse and mustard seed oil. Take a frying pan. On very low flame, add 4 teaspoons of fennel seed. Toss it up. Add 3 teaspoons of coriander seed and 1.5 teaspoons of fenugreek seed. Mix it and cook it for a couple of seconds. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of onion seed. Mix it and cook it for half a minute. Then put it into a grinder and coarsely grind it. Now add a pinch of black salt and coarsely grind it again. Now take a frying pan, add 8 tablespoons of mustard seed oil, add half a teaspoon of asafoetida, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder or as per your taste. Now add our coarsely grind masala. Mix it again and then add 8 teaspoons of mustard pulse or mustard seed. Mix it well. Add salt to taste. Add half a teaspoon of dry mango powder. Mix all the ingredient. Now slit the green chili and make a space for stuffing using the spoon. Stuff the masala. Stuff completely. And put it into a achar container or pickle container. Put rest of the masala on top of chili. Add pinch of salt and 3 to 4 teaspoons of mustard seed oil. Your stuffed chili pickle is ready. Thank you.